Today, I'll talk about supplier scoring and supplier assessment. This is an important function or activity in supply chain management. This lecture is one of my series of lectures on supply chain management. This is my lecture outline. First, I'll talk about supplier scoring and assessment. Then I'll talk about supplier relationship management or SRM. So supplier scoring means objectively evaluating the suppliers against predetermined criteria. This is also known as vendor scorecard. Some of the most common supplier evaluation criteria include quality of product or material, pricing, delivery time, capability, and ethical sourcing. So this is a comprehensive list of parameters which can be used to assess suppliers. So one is purchase price, then exchange rates, taxes, duties, replenishment, lead time, on-time performance, supply flexibility, supply quality, delivery frequency or minimum lot size, inbound transportation cost, pricing terms, information coordination capability, design collaboration capability, and supplier viability. So these are the parameters which can be used to score or assess suppliers. So what is the procedure for scoring the supplier? So we make a cross tabulation of the this scorecard I have taken from this website to show you as an example. So we cross tabulate the uh, parameters which can be used to assess the vendors and the various vendors. And for example, this product quality, the total point are 40, and this first option scores 40 marks, 40 out of 40. So this is how we score the vendors. And of course, these are the points. But we can also uh, give equal points, equal total points, and different weights of different parameters. So this is how we can calculate the weighted score. So this is the example of supplier scoring or scorecard rating. Then finally, briefly about supplier relationship management. These are the steps of supplier relationship management. First, we identify the potential supplier based on qualification needed. Then we evaluate and select suppliers on various parameters as we have seen using scorecard. Then we enter into agreement with selected supplier. Then we identifying key suppliers in different product categories based on sales volume and demand of products. So we have various product categories and we need various components. So we have more than one supplier. Then we regularly monitor the performance of suppliers. So this is about supplier relationship management. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you very much.